I like to call this a finger independence exercise. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to be using these 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I've written down, as I'm going to share on the screen here, and by the way, you can download this as a PDF. There's a couple pages with some of the examples here. Look for the link under the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've written every combination of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so the idea is going to be this. We're going to do that 4 times per string. You do not need to leave your fingers down. You know, when I play, my fingers, they stay just very little bit off of the string, so it often can look like I'm holding them down. You're only going to do 1 finger at a time. See, I'm lifting up the other fingers, so don't feel like you have to leave them all down. This might be a little too much of a stretch for you to start. So 4 times in a row. I'm going to do it quickly just so you can see. Now you're not going to be going this fast at all. Don't worry about your speed. Your speed is the least thing that you need to worry about. See, I'm just doing 4 times in a row. And this is a cool exercise though, because as you are about to find out, we're really gonna mess you up here. So here we go. I've got every combination right now of 1, 2, 3, and 4. This exercise, even though this is here in Beginner's Bootcamp, this is something you can play the rest of your life. I still do this because as you get better and faster, the faster you do this stuff, the more difficult it gets. So this is a lifelong tool you can use here. So let's, for example, take 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4. Okay. By the way, the idea is not to sit and do all of these. That would take forever. You pick 2 or 3 of them, and you make this a daily thing. Okay, so if we do 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4. I suggest you start here on the 5th fret. Okay. And as we play this 4 times in a row, again, you're going to do this a lot slower probably. The aim is to go right to the next string. It looks simple when you see someone do it, but it gets very confusing on your fingers. That's the whole point. Finger independence. You do this a lot. This is what I would call sort of like a power exercise, because you're going to get a lot of benefit from this one exercise. Okay? It's going to make your fingers essentially do more of what you want your fingers to do. So this is a great thing to do daily. If we do 3, 2, 4, 1, right? Do 4 times in a row. Now 3. You may be going extremely slowly at first. You will be, and that's okay, because what you want to do with this is you want to be thinking about not only doing your right hand properly, but also the left hand. So this is a great way to sort of put together, again, slowly, what we just did, talking about both hands. So even if you're doing this, just starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, and going like this slow, you're not dumb. You know, you don't suck. That's just how you need to do it if you're going to be playing this properly and making sure that your hands are working together. So you want to go super slow. If you go too quick, you're going to miss things. It's not going to sound good, it's not going to feel good, and you won't know why. So, detail about this. Make sure when you're starting this that your pick and your left-hand fingers are connecting at the same time. Beginners often will do this. You see that? My fingers connecting and then I'm picking. That's no good. You get those double sounds. We need these 2 hands to be coordinated. So this is a wonderful exercise. So a good way to do that, if you need to, you can count to 4. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, just so that you have a place and time that you're picking, your fingers are landed. Okay. So as you get used to 1, 2, 3, 4, try these other ones, because I'm telling you what, if you do this daily right away, you're going to make gains that other beginning guitar players are not going to be making, because this is going to be good for both your hands independently and then also for coordinating them. Okay, great.